Hello, my dear little stars. Welcome back to our today's mathematics class. In the previous class, we discussed about different types of lines and different types of polygons. Today, we are going to learn how to construct a figure by using set square and ruler. Listen to this activity. Draw a line 7 cm long and from each endpoint draw upright lines both 4 cm high. Draw a line joining the top ends of these lines. Measure its length. Take a ruler. Draw a line 7 cm. From 0 cm to 7 cm, you have to draw a line. After drawing the line, we have to mark both the endpoints. Then take a set square and a ruler. Hold the ruler very close to the line you have drawn. Then take a set square over the ruler. Place the set square at the left endpoint of the line. Then mark a point 4 cm upright from the left endpoint. Draw a line to join these two points by using the ruler. After drawing the line, again hold the ruler on the line, then place the set square over the ruler. Mark a point 4 cm upright from the right endpoint of the line. Then draw a line to join these two points. After that, draw a line to join the top ends of these two lines. Look, we get a quadrilateral. What's the name of this quadrilateral? Yes, rectangle. Let's measure its length. Yes, 7 cm. Its opposite side is also 7 cm. Then let's check the left upright lines or breadth of this rectangle. Yes, 4 cm. So, the length of right upright side or its opposite side is also 4 cm. We know that in a rectangle, its opposite sides are equal. We get a rectangle. Its length equals 7 cm and its breadth equals 4 cm. Let's go to another activity. Draw a line 6 cm long from the left endpoint. Draw an upright line 3 cm high. From the right endpoint, draw an upright line 4 cm high. Join the top ends of these lines. How do we draw this? Like that rectangle, we can also draw this figure. At first, draw a line 6 cm using the ruler. After that, mark the two endpoints of this line. Then, hold the ruler very close to the line. After that, place the set square over the ruler. Then from the left endpoint, mark a point upright 3 cm high. Then we have to draw a line to join these points. After drawing the line, again hold the ruler very close to the line like this. Then place the set square over the ruler. Then from the right endpoint, mark a point upright 4 cm using the set square. Then join the two points using the ruler. Then join the top ends of these two lines. Look students, we get a quadrilateral like this. Let's write the measures of this quadrilateral. We know that the bottom length of this quadrilateral is 6 cm Length of left upright line is 3 centimeter. Length of right upright line is 4 centimeter. Students, did you understand this? Okay, here are some homework activities for you. Do this in your maths note. Today's class is over. Thank you.